The overall idea for alkene reactions is this.
When talking about reactions with alkenes, they will be a little different than our substitution reactions we're used to. During substitution reactions, we substituted one group for another. But during addition reactions, we will break our pi bond and add new groups to our molecule. Looking at the overall reaction scheme for alkenes, remember that pi bonds have a weaker head-to-head overlap. Since it's a weaker overlap and filled with electron density, it can act as a nucleophile or a base if there's an acidic proton. In this mechanism, we'll show our alkene first acting as a base, but it would attack an electrophile using its pi electrons the same way. When we steal the hydrogen with our pi electrons, these electrons fall back onto the more electronegative atom, giving it a negative charge. If we look back at our starting alkene, we're using these two electrons to form a new bond, which means one of the carbons will have a carbocation. Make sure you place it on the more substituted position, since more substituted carbocations are more stable. Also, since we're forming carbocations, don't forget that rearrangements can occur. Since we have our negatively charged molecule hanging out in solution, it will then attack the carbocation.
Follow so your next quiz doesn't feel like a surprise attack.